Hello again. Good afternoon, good evening, good morning, wherever you are, wherever you're watching from. How are you today? I am grateful for today. See, I spent all day busy with few meetings today. So let's have a chit chat on learning how to earn more, right? Learning how to earn more. Yesterday we talked about how to protect your savings, and we talked about previously how to monitor your expenses, how to the power of 10%. Now let's have a look on how you what are kind of ways you can earn more, right? Because if you want to grow your investment or your saving, you need to be able to earn more, right? Because one income stream it's very risky to have only one income stream, guys. I'm just telling you, okay? Because most of people they have seen it with this pandemic, which is unfortunate. And some people are forced to do something that they don't believe in, but just because they're risking losing their jobs, or it's the only option that you have to do it, and it's very unfortunate to be in that position. So today let's talk about how you can earn more, right? What are different ways? If you are in a job, what is the way you can start to earn more? Maybe by having a promotion, but in a job, I was in a corporate world for 12 years, so I know how it is. The harder you work, the more targets you get set, right? I know you know what I'm talking about. So getting a promotion is one way if you are in a job, within the same job. But also at the same time, you will have there will be also so many people who will be upset because you will have to take that position from somebody else, right? Okay, let's have a look another way. Maybe you are somebody who's smart, who preparing themselves to exit, because these kind of things you have to prepare, okay? You can't stop there wishing, okay? Wishing without doing, it doesn't produce no result. So let's have a look. You can create a side hustle, What type of side hustle you can create? Let's see. You can create a YouTube channel. You can create content, because you might have a message that many people want to hear. You never know who you will touch, who you will help. So sharing your message, if you have a message, is brilliant. Many people die with skills. Many people die with a message that they could have shared with the world, a message that could have helped somebody else. The reason why I'm doing this all the time, and I'm doing this for free, is so that I know there will be someone out there. It could be one of you, it could be you, right? Who will be touched, maybe who I might say something and it might change their life and they will apply it. And my wish to you is that you're gonna apply it. Right? So side hustle, YouTube, or you can create a blog. All this kind of stuff, you can create a blog. Instead of just working Monday to Friday and 9 to 5 and you go home, you just watch TV. Instead of doing that, exchange watching a TV or watching those news, which just brainwash your brain, because they are just telling you their vision, and instead of you creating your own vision, you're just buying somebody else's vision or somebody else's story, right? His story. You're buying his story. So you can start watching, for example, self-education on YouTube in different fields. In this 21st century, to be honest, with the internet available in our hands 24/7. Use it for the good. Don't use it to spoil yourself or to brainwash yourself. Use it to empower you, to empower yourself. So what I used to do when I was preparing to get out, I used to spend at least 1 hour watching YouTube videos. And it's been, I don't know, it's been 4 years I haven't watched TV or news. Because one person told me, right, if there was something important in the news, you will find it out. And it's so true, because every time there is some kind of big event or anything happen, I will see on my Facebook feed or something like that. So I don't need to watch TV to see those news. Those kind of rubbish news, they will come to me easily in social networking and all that kind of stuff. So use your time wisely. So learn how to earn more through a side hustle. If you have a job, put that extra time, because we all have 24 hours in a day. So how can you justify why one person will get paid so much and the other person will get paid so little? Why? Have you ever asked yourself that? Because we are all created really equally. Yes, all of us, we don't have the same opportunities, but I don't know. But we all have the same opportunities, just the way we receive them, that's all. So, yeah, so you can spend that time and learn something more. You can create a blog, YouTube channel, I don't know, find something to sell on Amazon or Facebook. But the most important one you need to really think about, which I discovered 4 years ago now, is a system called MRCI. MRCI is a combination of learning how to create a business online and learn also about how you can become a professional investor. All right? Look into this, because this is something you can do part-time. You don't have to quit your job, because quitting a job just like that without preparing also it's a little bit foolishness, okay? Because you still have to pay the bills, etc. So it's prepare yourself. You can do this part-time, but you will learn the skill. You learn the skills of creating a business online, and you will learn the skills of investing. So personal development, financial literacy, and building a business. You get this in one idea for MSCI. And we are on a mission. We are on a big mission. We want to have at least 15% of the world population financially literate. Okay? This is really something worth sacrificing for. To see that people don't have to slave anymore for anybody. Because we have the greater within ourselves. And you don't need to suffer, guys. You don't need to suffer, right? I see a lot of people that try to laugh or try to mock that, yeah, you acting like a millionaire, you're acting like that. No, you do not need to be a millionaire to have a good quality of life. You don't have to be a millionaire to be financial free, right? You think somebody to be financial free or to have the time freedom, they have to be millionaire? No, they don't. You don't. Okay? This is some of the stuff that we teach. We can show you how, and you'll be amazed how easily can it be achieved as long as you are willing and you are coachable and you are hungry. You need to be hungry for that change. You need to be hungry for that change. If you are hungry for that change, if you are really coachable and you are willing, comment. In a comment, you will see a quick survey. Just click on it, go through the quick survey, watch few videos, and get in touch with me. You will see my personal contact details. Get in touch with me, and I'm looking forward to speak to you at the end on WhatsApp or via email. Okay guys, I love you guys, and I'll speak to you tomorrow again. So today, what did you learn? How you can earn more and you can create some side hustle to earn more, and most importantly, look into MRCR. All right, have a blessed afternoon, have a blessed evening wherever you are. Ciao.